Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here at Productronica 2015 in Munich, and I'm joined by Garrett from ASYMTEK. Garrett, thanks for stopping by.
No problem.
Nordson ASYMTEK, I should say. You've got quite a roster of new products. I'm going to let you run through those very quickly, and then we'll dig deep into maybe some of the key innovations.
Sure. So at our booth this year, we're showing quite a lot of new stuff this year. We have a new Spectrum 2 Premier system with our new IntelliJet, market-leading piezo jet out there. A secondary jet, the NextJet 8, also for mass market usage. We're showing a new hot melt unit, the thermal jet. We have dispense mate platform refresh. We also have a number of different demonstrations going on for new offline programming for our conformal coating system, two component material demonstrations that we have for both bulk and smaller volumes. And then we also have new dual valve systems for coating as well. So yeah, just a lot going on at the booth this year.
Yeah,
a lot of new innovations.
Yeah, really busy time. We're used to seeing lots of innovations from Nordson ASYMTEK. That's not an uncommon thing. But what's driving all this innovation at the moment? The fireworks that you've got here at this show, which is it one particular industry or?
So here in Europe, it's primarily around automotive. So a lot of automotive conformal coating dispensing, a lot of analysis overall within a broader market beyond just automotive, even for like mobile semiconductor packaging, where people are looking for innovations for conformal coating. So this is where two component materials are really starting to become a very strong area of interest. For dispensing, we're also seeing a lot of interest toward going to smaller and smaller dot sizes, improving productivity, UPH, as well as accuracy. And so that's been driving a lot of kind of where the IntelliJet has come out and is really taking the market leadership.
Okay, and when you talk about those two-part dispensing, is that dynamic? You're able to adjust the volumes of the two parts depending on the application on the fly as it goes through? Or?
So today we're showing bulk dispensing, so it's more of a static, predefined mix ratio. We have some innovations for a dynamic mix as well. Some of those parts are still in development though, so we're not really showing those quite yet.
Okay, and in terms of markets, what's the German market like in terms of its demand compared to other markets? Are we in one kind of global market now, or is there much variation?
In terms of the demands from the market, I would say that the typical demands are fairly common with what we see on a global basis. Everybody wants more accuracy, more capabilities, faster processing. It's all very typical. The way that the fluids get dispensed, or particular fluids, or where it's being dispensed in terms of an industry might be a little more specialized, where Asia tends to be very mobile focused these days. A lot of Europe and Germany in general tend to be a lot more automotive or development focused, so some of the research institutes are also driving a lot of innovation toward new packaging designs or new fluid types.
Okay, and is Productronica one of those shows that you do drive your innovation schedule towards? Is it a show that you like to launch product at?
Historically, ASYMTEK has always been launching new products at Productronica. It's a very big show, a lot of attendance, very global reach. So we are able to meet with both customers from Asia as well as the Europe and America regions. And so being able to introduce the new products and address a very broad market which has very different interests between dispensing as well as coating has always been very important for us. And so having our latest and greatest products here has always been a very valuable experience for us to be able to put these out into the market and get the exposure and meet with our customers and engage with them.
Yeah, and you get that feedback as to what the next 2 years are going to bring in terms of innovation. Fantastic. Garrett, thanks for stopping by. Sounds like you're going to have a really busy week demonstrating on the booth, and thank you for your time.
Thanks for having us.